Step 1, you're going to take your phone. Step 2, you're going to click play and watch a very short YouTube video. And step 3, you're going to earn real PayPal money into your account right away. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, as simple as ABC. And I know you guys are going to absolutely love it because it's going to be absolutely amazing. So if you guys want to know exactly what I'm talking about, then make sure that you click on... What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. So first things first, you're going to go onto this website. And this website offers us an amazing opportunity to make money online just to watch YouTube videos. Now, look at all of these recent withdrawal history. Now, they're going to show you a ton of people from all over the world who are already cashing out real money daily. Now, take a look at this. Okay, this is just from today. And this just shows you that this website is super duper transparent to all of their users when it comes to showing how much money everyone else is earning and how much money you can actually cash out. Now, these people come from all over the world, right? And they're able to cash out their earnings. So right now, I want you to follow every step in today's video so you can earn money just like this as soon as you're done watching this video. First, you're gonna join this website, and to do that, you're going to click on this join button right here, and then that's going to take you to this page where you're then going to be able to register and sign up for a completely free account. You're going to fill in your username, your email address, and your password. And next, for the location, don't even worry about it. They're going to automatically detect where you come from, and then of course they're going to accept you. And having that said, you don't even have to worry about anything like that at all. Now, as soon as you've filled that up, okay, you're going to click on the join button right here. And don't worry, you can do this on your mobile phone or your computer. Don't even worry about it. And as soon as you're done signing up, this is how your dashboard should look like. Now, I want you to click on this YouTube button right here. And as you can see, it has plays, likes, dislikes, and subs. So I want you to click on plays. And then that is going to take you to this page where you're going to be able to watch YouTube videos and make money online. Now, the first bonus tip that I want to give you is that you have to watch the videos for at least 35 seconds to be able to earn points. As soon as you earn those points, you can then exchange them for real money. Now, when you watch this video, you're going to earn this amount of points here. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this play button right here, and that's going to take you to that YouTube video. And when you go back to this website, you're then going to see here that they start the countdown for 35 seconds. As soon as you get to 0, you're then going to earn those points. That means you don't even have to actually watch the video. You can just pause the video over here, go back to the website, wait for 35 seconds, and then you're going to earn these points. It's as easy as that. Now, I'll show you another example. These are the points that you're going to earn by watching this video. You're just going to click on the play button again, and that's going to take you to YouTube. Again, pause the video. You don't actually have to watch it. Go back to the website, wait for the 35 seconds to go up, and these points are then going to be added automatically into your balance. If you guys want to know how to make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check out our description box down below, because I know you guys will be loving the surprise we have for you guys there. So make sure you check our description box down below to make even more money online every single day. And I want you to comment down below what country you reside in and what your favorite or preferred payment method is, so that my next video will be more relevant to our subscribers. Now let's keep going then. It's super duper easy, super duper simple. You can watch as many videos as you want. And right now I'm going to show you another bonus tip where you can earn double and even triple. So for example, if you watch this video right here and earn this amount of points, what you can do is open a brand new tab using your phone or your computer and watch another video and earn points, because you can actually watch 2 videos at the same time. It means that you do not even have to wait for 35 seconds just to watch one video. And again, you can do this as much as you want. You can do this with 2, 10, 20 videos all at the same time. So for example, you can open up this tab. You're going to click on play and watch this video. At the same time, you're going to open up another tab, click on play, and watch that video, and so on and so forth. So it's an amazing and a smart way to watch 10 or 20 videos all at the same time. Now, by watching a lot of YouTube videos, you can make a lot of money in a much faster way compared to all of the other people. So you can see right here the stack of credit points added right away into your balance. Now, by the way, the website is called followfast.com, and right now I'm going to show you another bonus tip. So while you're watching YouTube videos just like this one, you're going to click on the settings icon right here and make sure that you actually play the videos faster by changing the playback speed from normal to double. And another tip is that you can also click on the quality, and by default it's on auto. Now, if you have a very slow internet connection, you're using very limited data, what you can do is select 144p, which is the lowest video quality available. And that's going to save you a lot of time and even internet connection. In that way, you're going to be able to watch a lot more videos more efficiently, so you can earn more money in much lesser time. Now, right now, we're going to move on to the next bonus tip. When you click on the daily bonus right here, when you're going to come on to this page, you're going to be able to claim daily or even hourly bonus points. As you can see here, free points every day, log in daily, do 15 likes or hits, click on the button below to earn bonus points. Now, you just have to log into your account every single day, watch at least 15 videos, and then you can get at least 100 daily points by just doing that. Now, if you're having fun with today's video, make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leaving some suggestions down below. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now, let's get back into the video. Now, if you want to cash out your earnings, you're going to click on this cash out button right here, and that's going to take you to this page where you can choose a payment method like PayPal, Perfect Money, or Bitcoin. But if you don't have any of those payment methods available there, don't worry, you can cash out with different payment methods. And with that being said, you can just choose whatever you want. Now, once you earn points by watching videos, you can right away exchange those points into real cash. The best part is that they have a payment threshold of only $1, which means the moment you earn $1, you can right away withdraw and cash out your earnings. And that's because of their minimum payout system. Okay, once you earn $1.50, you can request a payout right away, and then you're just gonna have to wait for 3 to 5 business days to be able to receive your money. Now, this is a super easy way for you to make money online, and not a lot of people know about this, so make sure you use this method to your advantage. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.